is if I is equal to 1 0 0 1 and E is equal to 0 1 0 0, so that A into I plus B into E whole cube is equal to A cube into I plus 3A square into B, 3A square B into E. Here let me take a LHS. In the LHS we have A into I plus B into E, means A into I in sense identity matrix, second order identity matrix is 1 0 0 1 plus B into E, means B into E they have mentioned as a 0 1 0 0. Okay, so here it is a scalar multiplication. That means we need to multiply this A with each and every terms of this elements of this matrix. So A into 1 A and rest all elements are 0 0. Okay, remaining two zeros. That means 0 into A is 0. That's why I wrote here 0. Here also you will get 0. And 1 into A. 1 into A is A plus B into this matrix. You will get it as a 0 in B 0 0 you will get. Then we need to add them, and add, for this and adding we need to take a first row first element plus first row first element. That means A plus 0 is A and 0 plus B is B and 0 plus 0 is 0. Here A plus 0 is A. This is equal to A into A B 0 A you will get. This is of base of this LHS. A into I plus B E you will get, and for this we need to apply whole cube. So on applying this whole cube means what? If I take A cube means what? A into A. So here A into I plus B E whole cube means we got this value of A into I plus B E value as a AB 0 1. For this I am applying cube. Cube means what? I multiplied this matrix 3 times by itself. So here you need to know the firstly I am going to multiply these two matrices and I am going to write this matrix as easily. So you need to know the matrix multiplication. So let me explain that. How far you know I don't know, but let me explain that. Firstly we need to multiply this first row. If you know any matrix, if you take any matrix A B C D and this is set with a row, okay, in horizontal elements are there that are set with rows, and vertical bars will be these are set without columns, these are row. So while multiplying any matrices, first row into first column, that means in the first matrix we need to take first row should be multiplied with the first column. That means this A into A comma B to A comma 0 to multiply చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, ఫస్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ లోని ఫస్ట్ రో ఏంటి A comma B అవునా, ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ లో సెకండ్ ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ ఏంటి A comma 0. సో A into A I wrote here, A into A plus B into 0 I wrote, and first row into second column, that means A into B plus B into A, B into A I wrote. In the same manner we need to multiply the second row with the second row. We need to complete the same process like this only. 0 into A, okay, 0 into A plus A into 0 and 0 into B plus A into A, and this matrix I wrote as easily here. So here if you observe this A into A, here we have, okay, A into A is A square and plus B into 0 means 0. That means A square plus 0 into A into B, AB, and B into A, AB, AB plus AB, 2AB, and A into 0, 0, this term becomes 0, and A into 0 again this term becomes 0. Here in this we will get a 0 and A into A square. That's why this total first matrix I wrote it as an A square and 2AB 0 A square, and we need to multiply with another matrix AB 0 A. So again same process I applied. First row into first column, first row into first column. A square into a square into a square into a plus 2b into 0, and in the same manner a square into b plus 2b into a, so that you will get a first layer, that means first row is completed in the product. In the same manner we need to multiply with the second row, we need to multiply, so that you will get this one. So by this you will get a into I plus b into e whole cube. You will get it as an a into a as a cube, and here this term becomes vanished because we multiplied by 0, and a square into b, a square b plus 2a square b, that means 3a square b, and this term becomes 0, that's why I wrote here 0. Here a square into a cube. This is of LHS part. LHS part is completed up to here. Now RHS part, what we need to do, we need to take as an a cube into I plus 3a square in b into e. Here a cube is a scalar, that means a constant. A cube into I means what? Second order identity matrix. Okay, and 3a square b is a scalar again, that means a constant, and b they mention as a this matrix. So we need to multiply each term by this constant. So you will get a first fraction, first matrix as a cube 0 0 and a cube, and this matrix you can write it as a 0 0, here 3a square b, because here 1 is there. Okay, and adding them, what you will get, again you will get it as an a cube 3a square b 0 a cube. This you can suppose as the second equation. And if you observe this first equation and second equation, in the first equation and second equation, RHS parts, if you observe, a cube 3a square b 0 a cube, and here also a cube 3a square b 0 a cube. That means in the both equations RHS parts are equal. As the RHS parts are equal, we can equate the LHS parts. Likewise we get this answer. Okay, I hope you can understand this answer. Okay, thank you.